Since 2006, Women's Earth Alliance has provided technical, entrepreneurial, and leadership training to women around the world, equipping them with the skills and tools they need to protect our Earth and strengthen communities from the inside out. L'Oréal Paris is a leader in the beauty industry with a lifelong and strong commitment to empowering women all over the world. Together, we can accelerate the work of women leaders by merging our global strategies. We'll focus on 3 key impact areas. The first is environment. The second is economics. The third is social. By supporting women, we can achieve justice and inclusion, economies that work for all, and a thriving environment now and for future generations. When women thrive, the Earth thrives.
Because our planet is worth it.